We had a pretty torrential downpour today, so Mama Duck moved all the babies from the paddock to the goose pond. You can see it's all brown because all the runoff that came in from the upper parts. You can hear the frogs talking to each other. Good job, Mama Duck. People on the internet think you're pretty cool, you know. Look at those grown babies. You guys need more? Okay, let me get it for you. Oh, stuck to the clay here. I'm coming. Make sure you all have enough since there's 14 of you, plus Mama. Mama's hungry today. I think it's just a frog, Mama Duck. Look at your babies, they're getting their little wing feathers. All of them. They gotta go down to the pond and get their little bit of water so they can process the dry food. I think I see our turtle over there. Sorry, Mom, I didn't mean to scare you. Everybody got full belly? You almost got ran over, buddy. Where are those ones going? You guys need a little more? Okay. Grow these babies up right. Nice and big and strong, right? Right, Mama Duck? Well, if you can see, I scared them, but right there on their wings, they're starting to get their little feathers, and on their tails too. Yep, that did sound like a hawk, but I don't think it was. That's good that the babies are scared though. Keep them safe. Here comes the rain again, Mama Duck. That's just a tree. think you guys had plenty tonight. You gotta go be ducks for the rest of the night and find your own food. That's just me. Sorry, Mama Duck. I'm just trying to make sure they stay wild.
Okay.
All gone. Time to eat duck food.
Okay.
Eat all the stuff in the pond. Well, your friends are leaving, little buddy.
Are you the ugly duckling? You're ready for bed, huh?
Mama wouldn't forget you. Pretty fast little swimmer. Well, we think they're sleeping up there by where the spring is that feeds this pond. That's where we've seen her when it starts getting dark out. And it's starting to get pretty dark now, but it's because it rained most of the day.